Hey guys, this one's Showdown. We've played this one before in previous gameplays. One player. How about not the tour? Keep going. Okay, challenge. I guess that's all we can do. And then let's see. Put whatever name you want in there. M, and then an N, and then an M. Whatever. Eminem's gonna play this one. She'd never played this one before. I'm pushing her to her limit of gameplay. Put mon. As in money.
Demolition?
No.
Knockout. Right there, right? Or
Okay, yeah. Let's go with Demolition. I don't know if we've ever played that. Let's choose your vehicle, kiddo. Oh, you cannot play those.
This one.
Okay. She's gonna go with like the 1970s family escort van.
No fear.
Oh, no fear. Okay. No fear. Really loud in the arcade today. This is Seattle, Washington, round 1 arcade and entertainment center. We have no idea how to play this one, Demolition, because we ain't played this one. So just run into people, Eminem. I would go with that, Eminem. Bumper Benny.
Order 57, your freedom ready. Order 57, your freedom ready.
There you go. Forward. Nice. There you go. You're in 6th place out of 8 people. Now you're in 5th. Follow him. Boom. Not good. There you go. And forward. Watch out. Oh. You are. Don't get wrecked out. Okay, go for it. You're still in 6th place. Hunt someone down and get a good. Straight on, straight on. Yes. Boom. There you go. 50 points. Light hit. Knock that guy out. Hold button to boost. Find the boost button whenever you're going to run into someone. Okay, around the corner to your right. Wow, heavy strike. Okay, she moves it. Oh, she's in last place. She's getting torn up. She's getting dominated on. Whoa, no. This is getting terrible. What the? 8th place. All right, play one more. Something else though, a different one.
Oh, right here.
Wow, this. Look at her wheel shakes all over the place. This, we're at a different arcade. We don't usually play here, but this machine is just completely beat up. Sega would not be happy.
No continue, no.
Nah. Unfortunately, you did not make the leaderboard there, kid. Okay. Here we go. Don't need that. You don't need these?
No. Oh.
Okay, let's see here. Single player. This one's called Showdown. Just anything. Hey. Just get her going. Not Demolition.
Knockout.
That's nice. Going with the pickup. Okay, she's a flipper. Okay, she's gonna do some flipping.
Over 57. Your burger and fries are ready. Over 57. Your burger and fries are ready.
I'm at a weird angle here, so doing the best I can. T-bone me. You're in 4th place. Just dropped to 6th place, 7th place, last place, 4th place. Did you just get upended? Go for it. Try not to get knocked off of it. There you go. Now watch, there's edges, so you got to keep kind of going in a circle. We have played this one before. Okay, 1,000 points. All right, keep going fast. Get over there. Get back in the game. EL's played this one. He likes this one a lot. Nice hit. Just knocked him off. Good job. So that's your objective, to knock him off. You got 1,500 points. You moved to 2nd place. Almost got 1st place. Run in the back of him. Easy, easy, easy. Woo! Number 44. So you might want to do some circles. Get back up there. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Drive him off, drive him off. Keep him going. You got it, now. Stop. Oh no, she went off with them. She's still in 2nd place. Almost have 1st place. She's already driven 2 cars off. Keep on him, push him off, just keep going straight. They're on the edge. On the edge. Does she move to 1st place? She does, guys. 1st place. 37 seconds left to go. Just drive him forward. Can she get 2 for 1? Keep going and stay on. Oh no!
I can't see her.
She's way in 1st place here, boys and girls. Yeehaw! They're gaining on you. 2nd place getting close to you. Right forward. Nope, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh no!
Oh, I lost the lead.
She did lose the lead by a significant amount. Drive him forward. Drive him forward. Stay behind him, stay behind him. Yes! No 1st place. I don't. Oh! You knocked off 2 of them right there. Let's see. Oh my! No, it's a tie, but they give it to you. Ow! Outstanding. Good job. Did you get some leaderboard action for that one? 10,100. I don't know. Let's see. No, nope. You need at least 14,600.
Oh.
Sweetness. All right, that was called Showdown. I'll show you the marquee up there. Yep, that's a real winner right there, boys and girls.